Here are some vocabulary words and terms that I want to discuss with you prior to taking your quiz. The first one is called symmetrical. Symmetrical is when things match up when you fold over the middle. I like to think about like butterfly wings, that if you take the wings and whenever they fold back, they should match up perfectly. On symmetrical, you fold over the middle and they're going to match up. On this one, this would be an example of asymmetrical, when it does not match. The middle would be about right here. If I fold it over, it's not going to look anything alike. That's asymmetrical. When you talk about data distribution, you talk about it being skewed. It can be skewed right or to the left. Now, contrary to the name, skewed right is actually when all the data is pushed left. Skewed left is when all the data is pushed to the right. And the last thing is called outliers. Outliers are extreme values that differ greatly from the other data. For instance, if you look at this bar graph, all of them are little bitty, and then all of a sudden right here in the middle you have this big, huge one. This would be your outlier. It stands out and it has extreme numbers higher than the other ones. These might have had numbers like 3 and 4, and then this one jumps up here to like 14 or 20 or whatever that number is. Same thing here. All your numbers are in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then all of a sudden you have one way out here all by itself and number 11. That's called an outlier. You don't have to have an outlier, but if you do, it's going to be separated from the rest of the data.